What's up, guys? I got a package at the door. I've been waiting for this for a whole day. Isn't Amazon great? My daughter is here to help me. Come here. She's full of energy. Well, not really. She's getting ready for her nap. You ready?
Sí.
Sí. That means yes, by the way, guys. In case you didn't take any Spanish in school.
Yo quiero ver qué está ahí.
Translation. I want to see what is there. Ready? Right, careful with the knife. Cuidado con el
A
cuchillo.
las 1, 2, 3.
Translation 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's see. Who's more excited? Me or you?
Me.
Another box. Another box. Do you think there's another box inside this box?
Yes. Sí. Vas a piloto. Yeah. Wow, una computadora.
Una computadora? A computer?
Computadora.
It's not a computer, but it's for my computer. This is the HiRise Pro. I saw it yesterday while shopping on Amazon. It's an adjustable stand for iMac. So basically, instead of having all my hard drives and stuff all over next to the computer,
Okay, háblelo.
she's like reading your minds, isn't she? And it allows you to store things inside it. I'll assemble this and show you when it's done. More packages? Are you ready to unbox this other one?
Yes.
So I have a Satechi. It attaches to my Mac.
Ooh.
And I'll be able to put my SD cards from my camera or any USB drives, and it's just easier to download my content. And you know, when you're making videos on a regular basis, it's all about efficiency. The last thing I got, this cool shelf that goes behind my computer. So you can put a drive on top. So it's just a way to conceal stuff and have it nicely behind the computer.
No puedes ver mi cara.
Hey, where's Aria? Two of these three items that came today are by the same company, 12 South. I like this company. They make very high quality stuff for like your phone or your computer. I just connected my first SD card into the card reader. I find it very efficient being able to just right away, without guessing where the slot is in the back of the computer, just put your SD card and get your footage. Thumbs up to the SD card reader. When it comes to the HiRise for the iMac, I love being able to look at my computer and not see all those drives. Believe it or not, having your desk clutter, in my opinion, it can really interfere with my flow. I almost forgot to mention that the cover for the HiRise attaches magnetically, so you can quickly take it off and on, and then you can flip it and you'll have a different finish. The shelf behind the iMac is just super cool. Now I can put my bigger drive that doesn't fit into the HiRise. If I want to, I can put a laptop. I can put it right behind my computer. That was my first unboxing with my daughter. Adios, amigos.
Bye, friends.
Take care. Thanks for tuning in.